Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of your Netflix login error issues. So if you're having trouble in logging in Netflix, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we are going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and the working your way up. So the first one is keeping your phone on your plane mode. You can turn it on from your notification bar or from your control center. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This resets your network connections and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off and go back to your Netflix and try logging in again, and now let's check if there is any updates available for app Netflix or not. So open your Play Store. If you are an Android user, you can simply open your Play Store and check the related app and find if there is any kinds of updates available. If it have, then you can just update it accordingly. As I am iOS user, I will go to my App Store. So after visiting App Store, I will search the related app, that is Netflix for now. Search the app Netflix, and now there you can see there is no any updates available. Is update available on the update button and update it accordingly. And there is one more option if updating did not help, and you can go to your settings. So after going on settings, you can just scroll it little up and go to the option general and tap on the option like iPhone storage and search the related app in which you are facing error. For now that is Netflix. Search the app Netflix. Here you go, and there you can see the option like offload app, which is highlighted in color blue. Tap on offload app and confirm it. There will be the option like reinstall app. There you go, tap on the reinstall app and your app Netflix will be reinstalled on your device within a very few seconds, and this gives you a fresh install with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems in apps like Netflix, Facebook, WhatsApp, Discord, Messenger, and many more other. And there you go, one of these methods should have helped you to get back into your Netflix account. So if you did, let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more to our channel. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one with the next tutorial video. Thank you.